make it a better place. It'll take creation, imagination.
Hi everybody, we are coming into Ikea right here. Wendy is driving. We made the drive and we're gonna go into Ikea. She's getting Alex drawers because she loves them. They're the best.
I can't wait.
So we're gonna go in, we're gonna look at drawers, and then we're gonna look at those things that we saw on Jennifer McGuire's YouTube channel and on her blog.
Behind me. I wanted you to show them those signs, but it
Which
was too late.
signs?
Only, I don't know if they have this in other places, but you know we're in California, which is the state of conservation and, sorry, environmentalists. Sorry if you're an environmentalist. But there were these signs. Look, I'm going to drive back around.
Okay. Let's see.
I want to know if there's signs like this in other parts of the country or if it's just a California thing. It's probably just a California thing.
I'm sure it's just a California thing. So we're going to look for those drawer things that Jennifer McGuire keeps her stamps in. They're like the clear drawers that like containers that I think they're called like refrigerator drawers or something. So we're going to freezer containers. I don't know. We're going to look for those. So we're going to film inside Ikea.
Look, fuel efficient parking.
Oh, okay. I don't know if you can see it.
Fuel efficient parking.
Fuel efficient
There's
parking.
literally like 7 parking spots for fuel efficient parking.
So what's that about?
Oh,
Is that
that's
in
lame.
other states? And how is it fuel efficient parking right there? That's what I
My
know.
car's fuel efficient as far as I'm concerned.
So, all right. So we're going to go in and we'll film a little bit more. We'll catch it inside Ikea. All right, everybody, we made it inside and we're going to go find the Alex drawers first, right?
No, we know where those are.
Oh, you want to just walk around and look?
I want to get my curtains.
Okay, so we're going to go find the curtains for her living room and we'll show you. Yeah, because they're probably right here because we're in the living area stuff. So we'll find those and then we'll show you what she's getting for her living room. All right, here's Wendy's curtains. These are it. They're beautiful, aren't they? Let's see.
I love all
there
the
they are.
colors. They're going to be
They're really
perfect
pretty.
in my house.
She's getting new furniture. She's getting a new couch and a new chair and new curtains, and then she's painting. So these are it. They're beautiful. Look what Wendy just found.
How freaking cute is
This is what she's going to take to the Mediterranean cruise that she earned.
No, I'm not.
So this is part of the fun of Ikea, is just walking around and seeing all this amazing stuff. We love it.
Show them this.
The hangers.
How cute is that?
Ikea is so inspiring. Like there's just color everywhere and I love it. When I got mine, they did not have these colors. They have gray now and black. But these are the ones that I have. And then we were just noticing these. How cute are these? They're narrower, but they are super cute. And they have white. They're $10 more. These are pricey, these Alex things, but they're gorgeous. And they're perfect. This is a really deep one. And Wendy has this under her craft table in the middle of her room. I don't have these, but Wendy does. All right, everybody, we went all the way through Ikea. We got a whole basket full of stuff. And then now we're gonna go grab the Alex drawers for Wendy, and then we're gonna go eat lunch. So I think we'll catch up with you maybe after lunch. We're gonna go to Target and I'm gonna get some candles for the living room and the office. So I think maybe we'll catch up with you when we make it to Target. Hey guys, we are leaving Target. We didn't film in Target because it's just Target. There's nothing special or spectacular about Target. So we're heading home. So
We found special and spectacular stuff.
we did. We found a few things. So we are headed home, and I'm just gonna say goodbye to you guys. You're gonna want to make sure you check out my coordinating video that has a bunch of craft related storage ideas, and I give you guys an updated view of my craft room. So that was kind of why we went to Ikea, because we were looking for crafty decorating stuff. So make sure you guys check that out. It'll be this is a bonus video for today. So then I will be back next week with the brand new catalog, Stampin' Up! Catalog. So thanks guys, have a great day.